Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Earth Essence, and today we are going to talk about something that's close to all of our hearts: glowing, radiant skin. Now, I know there's a ton of skincare products out there, but did you know that some of the best skincare treatments are right in your kitchen? Yep, you heard me right, natural cures that are simple, easy, and totally affordable. So, if you're ready to take your skincare routine to the next level, grab a cup of tea, and let's dive right in. 1. Honey, the natural moisturizer. First up on our list is one of my all-time favorite natural ingredients, honey. Not only does it taste great in your tea, but it's also packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that your skin loves. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the environment into your skin, keeping it hydrated all day long. It also has antibacterial properties, which makes it fantastic for acne-prone skin. To use honey for glowing skin, you can make a simple honey face mask. Just mix a tablespoon of raw honey with a few drops of fresh lemon juice, perfect for brightening your skin tone and removing dead skin cells. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and radiant. Trust me, this is a game changer. 2. Aloe vera, the healing plant. Back to camera, holding an aloe vera leaf. Next, we have aloe vera. Known as the plant of immortality in ancient cultures, aloe vera is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, all of which promote healthy skin. It's also great for soothing irritated skin and even helps with skin regeneration. Whether you have sunburns, blemishes, or just want to keep your skin youthful, aloe vera is a must-have. To use aloe vera, just cut a fresh aloe leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to your skin. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes for a refreshing, hydrating boost. It's also a great overnight mask if you want to wake up with super soft and rejuvenated skin. 3. Turmeric, the glow booster. Now, if you haven't heard of turmeric for skin care, where have you been? This yellow spice is not only great for cooking but is also a powerhouse when it comes to glowing skin. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation, brighten skin, and fight acne. Here's a simple DIY turmeric mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of yogurt or honey to form a paste. Apply it to your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just a word of caution, turmeric can stain your skin, so be sure to rinse it off thoroughly. Afterward, you'll notice a brighter, more even complexion. 4. Green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse. Next, we're talking about green tea. We all know that drinking green tea is great for your health, but did you know it's amazing for your skin, too? Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals, which can lead to premature aging and wrinkles. To incorporate green tea into your skincare routine, simply brew a cup and allow it to cool. After cooling, use a cotton pad to gently apply the tea to your face, or even use the leftover tea bags as a compress for your eyes. This is a great way to reduce puffiness and soothe your skin. 5. Coconut oil, the ultimate skin nourisher. Let's talk about coconut oil, a true multitasker in the world of skincare. This natural oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which help moisturize, reduce inflammation, and promote overall skin health. It's also known for its antibacterial properties, making it great for fighting acne. To use coconut oil for glowing skin, simply take a small amount and massage it into your face and neck. It's best used as an overnight treatment if you have dry skin, as it deeply nourishes and locks in moisture. Just be cautious if you have oily skin, as coconut oil can clog pores for some people. 6. Avocado, the skin superfood. Next up, we have the avocado. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that hydrate and nourish your skin. It helps keep the skin plump, reduce fine lines, and even fight acne. For a hydrating face mask, mash half an avocado and apply it directly to your skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, plump, and moisturized after just one use. 7. Lemon juice, the skin brightener. Lemon juice is another fantastic natural ingredient for glowing skin. Packed with vitamin C, lemon juice helps brighten your complexion and can even help fade dark spots and blemishes. To make a skin brightening mask, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with a teaspoon of honey. Apply it to your face and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's perfect for evening out your skin tone and giving your face a radiant glow. 8. Cucumber, the skin soother. Have you ever noticed how soothing cucumber feels on your skin? It's because cucumbers are packed with water, antioxidants, and vitamins that help hydrate, reduce puffiness, and calm irritated skin. To use cucumber for glowing skin, you can either slice it and place the pieces directly on your face, or juice the cucumber and apply the juice with a cotton pad. It's perfect for cooling down your skin on hot days and is a natural way to reduce puffiness around the eyes. 8. Cucumber, the skin soother. 9. Rose water, the skin toner. Rose water is a timeless beauty ingredient used for centuries, and it's known for its hydrating, anti-inflammatory, and skin-soothing properties. It's perfect for all skin types and can help balance the skin's pH. Simply spritz rose water onto your face after cleansing, or apply it with a cotton pad for a refreshing toner. It'll leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. 10. Oatmeal, the gentle exfoliator. Last but definitely not least, oatmeal. Oatmeal is not only great for breakfast but also a fantastic natural exfoliator for the skin. It helps remove dead skin cells and soothes any irritation or redness. To create a gentle exfoliating scrub, mix oatmeal with a bit of water to form a paste. Massage it onto your face in circular motions, then rinse with warm water. This exfoliator is gentle enough to use a few times a week, and it leaves your skin feeling soft and glowing. So, there you have it, 10 natural cures you can easily try at home to get that glowing skin you've always dreamed of. Remember, nature provides us with some of the best ingredients to nourish and pamper our skin, so why not take advantage of it? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and wellness tips. Let me know in the comments below which natural remedy you're most excited to try. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, because we all deserve glowing, healthy skin.